Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to this channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video I'm going to try on this beautiful box braided wig. If you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're interested in any of my products or this wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you. So I first of all started by cutting the lace on the cap. So this wig has a closure and then the cap had a lace, so I'm just cutting the lace to make the wig look more natural. It has a 4x2 closure and then it also has baby hair. So this is how the wig looks before applying any concealer or foundation on the lace, and then it's also waist length. So you have to apply concealer or foundation on the lace to make the wig blend well with your complexion, or to make the lace blend well with your complexion. If you don't apply any concealer on the lace, it won't look natural. I always advise to spray some water on the lace before you apply your concealer, because if you do that, the concealer is going to stick on the lace and you won't have to apply concealer every time you wear your wigs. So this is how it looks, and as you can see, it's blending well with my complexion. And then I haven't sewn our combs on this wig, but you can still wear it without the combs. I'll add the combs later, but again you can just wear it without the combs. It has an adjustable strap at the back, and then it also has a band to make it more secure. I'm undoing the baby hair, and then also I realized some of my clients love my wigs with the baby hair. Most of you love the wigs without the baby hair. So for this one I decided to leave the baby hair, and then I'm going to apply a eco gel on the baby hair. So guys, I'll be sharing more videos on the wigs that have baby hair for most of my viewers who love the baby hair wigs. And then also most of my clients love the wig without the baby hair. So I'll try and balance and share the wigs that have baby hair and the ones that don't have baby hair. So guys, this is how it looks, and I really love how natural it looks. And then also, if you love it, so just comment down below guys what you think about this. I really love this wig. I actually went out with this wig and most of the people didn't know it was a wig, including my brother. He didn't even know it was a wig. He was so surprised that I braided my hair. Guys, I never braided my hair. The last time I braided my hair, it was I think 2019 when I was working, I guess. Yeah, but I've never braided my hair, and I just love the fact that most of the people didn't know that this was actually a wig. So if you want this wig guys, again I'll just leave my details in the comment section down below. If you want a specific color also, just let me know on WhatsApp, or when you order from the website, just leave a note and let me know the color that you prefer. Also about the length, if you want it in different length, just let me know as well on my WhatsApp or on email or on the website. But I really appreciate you guys for your support. Thank you so much for buying my wigs. You really don't know how much it means to me, but I really appreciate. So guys, just comment down below if you feel like this wig looks natural, and then also if you love the color, if you love the blending, how I blended the two colors. This is color black and 30. So you can as well put this the parting on the side. This hair is so secure even without the combs. And this is how it looks on the side. My sister actually loved the parting on the side. Okay, I used to prefer my partings on the side, but when my hair is long, or when I have long wig or braided wig or human hair wig and it's long, I always prefer the parting in the middle. For some reasons I just feel like it also looks good on me when the parting is in the middle, but my sister preferred the parting on the side like this. So you can actually pull it on the side if you want the parting to be on the side, and also you can just leave it in the middle if you want to. So I'm just going to try and style it, put it in different styles, just for you to see that you can actually style it however you want. So by the wig is very light. For most of you will be asking me about the weight. It's very light. And then again, guys, I know most of you always ask me how or where they can get the wigs. Please just check the description box down below. I also know in this video most of you are going to ask me where to find the wig, how to buy it. Please just check the description box down below or the comment section down below. The first comment on the comment section, those are the details how you contact me. And yeah, and also just check my website, WhatsApp. You can email me and I'll respond. And then again, guys, sometimes when I don't respond on time, it's because of time difference, or maybe that day I'm just held up somewhere, busy somewhere. I know most of my clients, they don't like talking to my assistant or someone else. They just want to talk to me, and I understand because I know there's scammers out there. But sometimes, guys, you can talk to my assistant just to, you know, also make work easier for me. Sometimes, you know, you just need to relax, to rest. But all the same, I still appreciate, guys. I really love you guys. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate you buying my wigs, watching my videos, your comments. So guys, there'll be an election on 9th August. I think that week I may not be able to send wigs. You can just place your orders, but I'll send the wigs after elections. On 9th is the election in my country, 9th August. So I'll send the wigs from 12th or 13th. 9th and 10th, I might not be able to send some wigs, or I may not be able to send wigs outside Kenya because of one reason or the other, and personal reasons as well. So make sure you order your wigs on time to receive them on time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was it for today. I really appreciate, and see you in my next video. Bye.